Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you a live simulation of in a Proteus file along with a verification table on how to design a BCD to a 7 segment circuit on Proteus. So in front of you there is a 7 segment circuit. Let me count it out for you. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just zoom it out. 6 and 7. So there are 7 segments in this Proteus design, which is a live simulation for us to verify if the circuits is working in the right manner or not. Right here on the right side of the simulation, we also have a table which is for our verification, which includes different variation of inputs along with the output segments and display lights, whether it should be on or not. This is also for our verification purposes. I'm going to explain this circuit, this live gate simulation with you real quick. After that, we'll be able to verify whether the circuit is in working progress or not. Okay, तो जैसा आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, we have different gates which are attached to different gates and different logic states. After that we have this LED which is attached to a ground. So सबसे पहले यहाँ पे एक दो तीन चार एंड गेट्स हैं. जो फर्स्ट एंड गेट है उसकी दो टर्मिनल्स हैं, जो बाकी तीन एंड गेट्स हैं उनकी तीन ईच टर्मिनल्स है. The first AND gate is first terminal is connected with a NOT gate of A. Let's consider this A, B, C, and D respectively. These logic gates, logic states. So the first terminal of this AND gate is connected to a NOT gate right here. The second terminal is connected to a C logic state. Just like that, the second AND gate. Let's move toward the second AND gate. The first terminal of the second AND gate is connected to a bar, which is also an A naught. The second terminal of the second AND gate is connected to a B. The third terminal of the second AND gate is connected to a C. Moving towards the third AND gate, which also have three terminals. The first terminal of the third AND gate is connected to a, as you can see. The second terminal of the third AND gate is connected to a B bar. A B bar is a representation of a B attached to a NOT gate. The third terminal of the third AND gate is connected to the C, simple C, not a not C. Okay, all together, these are all connected to their respective logic states, and they are also connected to an OR gate, which shows that these AND gates are in addition with each other. After that, we have also installed an LED along with the ground, which will show us whether this gate is working or not. Okay, now let's try. I'm gonna be trying a specific variation of inputs, and we'll be able to see our desired outputs, and we'll verify it from the table whether it's whether the circuit is in working condition or not. Okay, so let's try the first input, which is 0 0 0 and 0. I'm gonna be running the simulation from here, and then I'm gonna zoom it. Okay, so the 0 0 0 and 0. I'm going to zoom out and we'll be able to see whether the circuit simulation is verified from the table or not. So according to the table right here in the first row, all lights should be on except for the last one. Let's see it from the simulation. As you can see, all lights are on. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see all lights are on except for the last one, which is also what the table is telling us. That means the simulation and the connection in the gate and the 7 segment circuit on Proteus are confirmed. The last light should be off. As you can see in the simulation of the Proteus, the last light is off. Altogether, I have also connected the last terminal wires of each of the 7 segment with a 7 SCG digital, which is right here. So altogether, this shows us that a 7 segment BCD circuit design along with a table, how it is verified, how it is made, and how the simulations are run in Proteus. I've also showed you that after applying these specific inputs, we will have a desirable output according to a table, which will help us to verify whether the circuit is in running condition or not.